Hello guys, welcome back to the World Cup event, and today I'm gonna be doing a pack opening in the new World Cup event. So let's get started. First, let's go and get this daily voucher offer because it's just cheaper than draft vouchers. So let's go to one's watch and let's start. It's gonna be a first draft. Krakic. Okay. Second draft. Ex Expense. Who? Okay. Ocon. And final draft. Okay, bass kick. Can do three more, so let's do three more. Arus, two more. Al over EIA. Okay, we got Ari. Come on, EA, please, 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 please. Please. Okay, no way, it's not the best Paraguay center back. Yup, it's 117 rated. Some random dude. Date Da Simon. Yo, this is actually not bad. Not the worst. Let's look at the signings. Yep, you bullshits can go. 1,906. 5,500. Wait. Let's exchange these guys first. 1,950. I could use Jonathan Tah instead of Carl Spurriel. Oh, we got a tradable player. Sure, let's just add him to the market. Wait, don't tell me yes. Demand. It's going to sell him for 41 million coins. Unai Simon Aldarante. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to use any of those two players. So let's go and exchange them. We get 1,105. See what's the cost of some of the other players. We'll go with another 113 overall player. I mean 118. Let me just look at his Jonathan Tah stats. 148 defending, 149 physical. Low attack, medium defense. Nah, bro. Not the best guy for sure. So we are gonna go and get. I don't know, bro. Get something in the badges. What is his signature series? Company and Figo. So let's go to star signings. Here's something we can get from 13,000 shards. We can't get Rafa Marquez. We cannot get him. We can try to get Claude Makelele. Ranchuk, he looks like a crazy good card. Jurgen Kohler, Sydney Govu. But I think so, why not go with Joe Neves? Yeah, he has 3-star weak foot. Go sign Joe Neves. Or shall we sign someone else? Oh, Gabriel. I can go and I can sign Gabriel. Or I can get Kusanov for Carlos Puyol. Let me look at Carlos Puyol. 178 centimeters. Signings. 186 centimeters. 140 pace. I think medium. Oh no, medium is bad. Car, but I can go with Joe Nebish. I can go and I can sign Gabriel. I am feeling more willing to sign Gabriel than Joe Neves. Because 3-star weak foot, 3-star skill moves in the midfield not the best. Liverpool. I bet we sign Gabriel. He'll be better for our team overall, I guess. Man, I can't stop resisting Joao Neves. He's gonna come. Okay. Portugal. Centre mid. Portugal. Yep, I'm sorry, Gabriel. I'm very sorry. Oh yeah, plus we also get some more gems from the rewards. So we take that. We take that, we can open 2 more drafts. Team editing. 4-3-3 attack. Sim. Joao Neves. So yeah guys, I've been told and I've ranked this Joe Neves card. So I have completely max ranked him. He has 184 pace, 166 shooting, 192 passing, 186 dribbling, 191 defending, 176 physicals. These are the skill points that I use. Box to box that was there from the start. Scoring, defending, and physical. Okay, so these were the ones. If you look at his attributes, he has 186 acceleration, 182 sprint speed. It was absolutely crazy for a midfielder. He obviously has 5-star stamina, but he has 3-star skill moves. I mean, that's not even that bad, but the main issue is his 3-star weak foot. He has 202 ball control, which is good, and he has 191 long shots. So, to score power shots, you can use a little bit less power on him. So that's gonna help. 142 free kick. He has 183 strength. His playstyles, as we saw, is the bullet pass. So it's able to do faster dribble and ground passes. So level 1 increases accuracy and pass speed without impacting the trapping difficulty of the receiver. Uh, level 2 greatly increases accuracy and pass speed without impacting the trapping. Okay. The traits high long passer. He looks like a good card, and like if he, therefore I played him here. So when he takes long shots, he shoots mostly from his right foot. So I ranked up Kimmich. I went for a defending skill point because he needed to defend, and I put him in right back. As you can see, same for my OVR lineup. And if you look at my H2 HXI, I have Cafu because when I was going and testing this Kimmich card, the main thing that I felt was that he was going and attacking like too much. So it was like he was going to striker area and the right back was completely empty and exposed. So therefore I've gone and kept this Kafu card for my obviously for the H2HXI, and Kimmich can come off for either Declan Rice or João Neves afterwards. So this is my current team. Hope you like this, and I'll be also putting João Neves squad review soon, the player review. So don't forget to be tuned. Please don't forget to click on the like, share, subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the notification bell icon. And João Neves and Declan Rice together gameplay update. Gameplay is gonna be coming soon. So I hope you guys excited as the thing is gonna be coming soon. So this is my team at the start of the World Cup event.